बरतानिया आइंदा माह मुकर्रर वक्त पर यूरोप से अलग हो जाएगा। बरतानवी वजीर ब्रेक्जिट का पार्लियामेंट से खिताब। स्टीफन बार्कले ने कहा है कि पार्लियामेंट आर्टिकल 50 बिना डील इनखला और नए रेफरेंडम से मुतालिक पेश की गई तरामीम पर अपना फैसला सुना चुकी है। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आप भी देखिए।
The short answer to that is actually the House has said two different things. It's passed legislation. It's passed legislation that has said by a big majority on Article 50, which many members on both sides of the House voted for. It passed legislation to say that we're leaving on the 29th of March. It put that date on the face of the bill by a large margin. The House voted also to give the people the decision through the referendum by a large margin. And the legislation, frankly, takes precedence over that motion. As a former member of the Royal Regiment of Fusiliers, firstly, it is important that we have that on the table as part of that, and indeed the only way to take it off the table is either to have a deal or to revoke Brexit entirely. And he is